Namaste, 10th standard students. Today we will discuss the questions and answers of the poem Butto written by Toru Datta. So this is a lesson. This is a poem about Ekalavya, the Butto, who learnt archery by himself, keeping as inspiration Dronacharya's idol. And when he reveals about the secret of his knowledge and his skill to Dronacharya, as he had promised Arjuna and his family, the royal family, that Arjuna will be the best in archery. So he asked his right hand thumb as a Guru Dakshina. So Butto immediately presents his right hand thumb to Dronacharya and shows his nobility. So Dronacharya blesses him that he will be known in this world for his modesty, truthfulness and self-help. So this is a poem. So let's see the questions and answers. First, comprehensive questions. Answer the following questions briefly. Why had Butto gone to Dronacharya? Why had Butto gone to Dronacharya? Butto had gone to Dronacharya to learn the science of archery. How did Drona respond to Butto's request? Drona refused to teach the skill of archery since he did not belong to the royal family and he had promised Arjuna that he would be the only famous archer. He means here Arjuna. Arjuna would be the only famous archer. Third question. I came to learn by science, says Butto. What does the science refer to? The science refers to the archery. Drona taught the Pandavas and the Kaurava princes the science of archery. Fourth. Why did Butto reverse Drona as his master? Butto revered Drona as he got his inspiration and knowledge from the great master who was a famous archer. Fifth question. Butto says, all that I have, all that I conquer, my skill shall I to thee resign. This shows Butto's 4 options are given: reverence to Drona, generosity, gratitude, foolishness. The answer is A, reverence to Dronacharya. Sixth question. Rash promises never end in strife. Rash promises never end in strife. By saying this, Drona is 4 options are given: warning Butto of unpleasant consequences, offering Butto to change his stance, C, hinting that his demand for recompense could be damaging or destructive to Butto, D, regretting the rash promise that he had made to Arjuna. The answer is C, hinting that his demand for recompense could be damaging or destructive to Butto. Question number 7. What did Drona seek from Butto to recompense? What did Drona seek recompense from Butto? Answer. Drona asked Butto to give his right hand thumb as his recompense. 8. What justification did Drona give for his unfair demand? What justification did Drona give for his unfair demand? Drona asked for an unfair demand because he had either promised Arjuna that here would be no one greater than Arjuna in archery. Hence, to fulfill his promise to Arjuna, Dronacharya asked for this unfair demand. 9. Butto, a small extract from a very long poem, is composed to an epic form. It makes use of artic like unto, the, line 1. Pick out other artic words from this context. The answer. The archaic words used in poem are thy, pelf, thou, hast, wilt, art, const, august, and thee. 10th. The poem makes use of the dialogue form. The 2 speakers in the poem are Drona and Butto. Identify the lines, passages by each of the 2. Line 1 to 8, that is Butto. Line 9 to 12 is of Dronacharya, and lines 13 to 19 is of again Bhutto. Line 17 is of Dronacharya. Lines 17 to 19 are Bhutto, and line 20 of Dronacharya, and 21 to 24 are of Bhutto. Lines 25 to 32 from Dronacharya, and lines 37 to 40 again Dronacharya. Second, close study. Read the following extract carefully, discuss in pairs, and then write the following answers to the questions given below. First one, I press for this sad recompense, says Drona. What does sad recompense refers to? The answer, the sad recompense refers to Drona's demand of Bhutto's right hand thumb. B. What does it tell about Drona? What does it tell about Drona? It reveals that Drona was more concerned about the promise he had made to Arjuna, and Arjuna would be the greatest archer in the world. He did not consider Bhutto's skill or talent, that he had learnt archery all by himself. C. If it was sad recompense, why did Drona demand it? If it was a sad recompense, why did Drona demand it? He wanted to keep the promise made to Arjuna that there would be none better than in archery. Arjuna would be the best in the archery in the world. To keep his promise to Arjuna, Drona demanded the right thumb of Bhutto. The severed thumb was on the sword. There was no tear in Bhutto's eye. Why was the thumb severed? Bhutto severed his thumb because his guru asked for it as his guru dakshina in due. Why was there no fear in Bhutto's eyes? Bhutto had great respect for Dronacharya and was prepared to grant him anything he asked for. So when his teacher asked him for his right hand thumb, he readily gave it without any fear or regret. What does it tell you about him? It tells us about Bhutto was completely devoted to his guru and was ready to fulfill any wish of his teacher. So when Dronacharya demanded his right hand thumb, he willingly gave it, fully aware that he would never be able to shoot an arrow without his right hand thumb. So this much is enough for a close study. You may get some other sentences from between the poem. Now paragraph writing. Discuss in pairs the great qualities of Bhutto and write down any 5 of them. Answer one by one. First one, devotion. Second, determination to excel, modesty and truthfulness and respect for his teacher. So these are the 5 points. I recommend you to write on these 5 points. So first, devotion. Devotion to his teacher Dronacharya. Though Drona had refused to teach him archery, he did not develop hatred towards his teacher but respected him wholeheartedly. He considered Drona as his teacher in spite of learning the skill by himself. He gave full credit to learning to his teacher. Determination to excel. Though Dronacharya had refused to teach archery, he was not depressed or sad but learned the art through self-help and hard work and grit all by himself. He became a better archer and excelled in archery even better than Arjuna. Modest. He was a very modest person and was not jealous of Arjuna, though he was every way greater than Arjuna. He never showed off, nor was he envious that Arjuna was preferred by his teacher. He was very humble about his own achievements. Then truthfulness. Bhutto had promised his teacher of his due when Dronacharya asked for Guru Dakshina. Drona had warned of his hasty promise, but Bhutto had been firm that whatever Guru asks for him, he will give it. He will not go against his own word. When Drona asked for his right thumb, he chopped it off without a second thought and kept his word. Then, lastly, respect for his teacher. Bhutto had a great respect for his teacher and had not developed hatredness towards him. He had been insulted by Drona for belonging to a low class, but still he always felt that he was his guru and did not resent him. Later, when Drona asked him to give his right thumb as a due for as a teacher, he happily gave it without any anger or being upset with his teacher. So these are the 5 points: devotion, determination to excel, modesty and truthfulness, respect for his teachers. These are the 5 qualities. If you get any other qualities, you can write it also. Discuss the following in groups of 4 and write in paragraph: was Drona unfair in his demand? Was Drona unfair in his demand? You have to write it. Actually, according to me, he was unfair in his demand. As Bhutto had come to learn the archery from Drona, as he had refused him, he learnt it by himself. He then showed his skill to Dronacharya, his teacher, and teacher was stunned by his perfection. Dronacharya realized that Bhutto was far superior than Arjuna, and to keep his promise to Arjuna, he demanded his right hand thumb, knowing fully that if he asks his right hand thumb, Bhutto cannot practice archery throughout his life. He was being selfish and did not think twice of destroying the life of future of a young boy. He was very unfair in demanding the right hand thumb of Bhutto. So this is what is our idea, and you may be having your own idea. You can write it out also. So this much is enough. A small poem about nobility, modesty and truthfulness of Bhutto and the unfair demand of Dronacharya. So learn it. This poem is quite important for your examination point of view, and if you learn it and you may get paragraph writing type of questions from this poem. Okay, till my next video, take care. Namaste.